Many of you will recognize this wall and certainly will recognize this hallway as Bergendoff Hall, the home of Augustana's music program and art history program. But what you won't recognize is the incredible transformation that is underway as we renovate Bergendoff to be a new modern space to serve our students. Here you can see the construction is underway in Bergendoff Hall. We're standing in the middle of what once upon a time was Potter Theater. This particular space will be divided into 2 new classrooms and rehearsal spaces to support our excellent music program at Augustana. You can see the drywall's underway. These 2 equally sized spaces will serve our students extremely well. One of the featured projects in the Bergendoff recreation is Hammond Performance Hall, which is right here in this magnificent space, which once upon a time was backstage of Potter Theater. This incredible space has 2.5 stories of vertical space and will be a small performance recital space for our seniors as well as faculty recitals. So Hammond Performance Hall, one of the great features of this renovation. Already completed as part of Phase 1 is the Music Education Suite and a dedicated classroom for music education. This part of Phase 1 was completed in time for the fall semester and is already serving Augustana students. We are so excited that the renovation of Bergendoff Hall is underway. Phase 1 will complete in January and Phase 2 will begin in the summer of 2022. This multi-year project will ultimately renovate the entire building, from ceiling to windows to mechanical systems, and of course creating the types of spaces that our students deserve at Augustana College.